Hi Gummy Bears, Gummy here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a dancing TikTok animation. I'll import an example on the screen. Now I do recommend that you already know how to make a GFX intro, but yeah, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing you want to do is click Shift A, and this thing should pop up on this little tab here, and you want to click empty right here, empty, and then you want to click image, and this is basically your video examples so you can recreate a dance. So once you add it, you'll see this little square thing. I'm going to rotate it so I can't see it, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so it'll be easier to see, and then you can go over here and click this little green icon and then click open, and then you just want to select the video you will be recreating. Now if you go over here, you'll see frames, and you can just put that to any random number. That's just basically when it will stop showing the video. Now we can start doing this. So you just want to copy everything you see the character do. Okay, so here's some tips on how I like to recreate the video. So let's take a look at the arm. How long does it take for that arm to go down? So that's basically what I do. I'm no pro at this. This is just what I do. I haven't made that many TikTok animations in my life, just like maybe around 5 or 6 I've made. After you finish animating the body, I will explain what to do next. And don't go ahead and add the head, because that makes it a little bit more hard, because like for parts like when you might need the character to jump, it's a lot harder if you have the head already on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Okay, and also if you want, you can go ahead and add the camera. Sometimes I don't add the camera because it kind of makes it annoying to have sometimes when I'm animating, but sometimes it can be a really good help for like if you want to be precise on how long it takes them to move to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just add your camera, Shift A, and then click camera. And I'm just gonna put it right here. This is actually the camera size, if you're wondering. And yeah, I have the resolution on 50. And I'm just gonna put the camera where I think it looks good. Now I'm gonna finish up this animation off camera, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm finally done animating. This took a very long time. I did have a little bit breaks. Sometimes I like to try to not have any breaks and just do it in one go. But if you need breaks, go ahead and feel free to take them. You don't have to feel like you have to do the whole GFX intro in one day. But yeah, this is what I did. It's good to like re-watch it to see if you did any mistakes, and it doesn't have to be precise. Like if you feel like you want them to do a certain thing faster or slower, you go ahead. This is your project. It doesn't have to be precise. But yeah, it's time to add our texture to our character. Okay, now that we have our head, it's time to animate it. Animating the head is not too hard. It's not nearly as hard as animating the rest of the body. All you need to do is very simple. Just keep it aligned with the body. You can check keyframes of when you moved the body and just move the head at the same time. So for example, if you move the body to the right on keyframe 9 to 15, then you would move the head like that. And that's just what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna select the body to see when I move the body to certain places. I don't know if this makes sense, but yeah, let's just go ahead and animate the head. Once you're done animating the head, you can go ahead and add your room model, or you could just render this as a transparent PNG, so you can just edit the background or just add a HDRI background. But I'm gonna add a room model because that's what I want to do for this GFX. So let's just go to Roblox. Okay, Roblox is down right now, so I can't use Roblox Studio, but I've been making a lot of GFXs lately, so I'm gonna use a already saved one. Let me look in the trash real quick. Okay, once you add your room model, you're basically done. Make sure you add a room model that doesn't interfere with like your GFX. So for example, make sure it's not like going through your body or anything. And yeah, make sure you move the room model to be in the perfect spot, because you cannot move your character or else that's going to interfere with the animation. You can go ahead and add lighting, and then you're done. And I really hope you gummy bears enjoyed this video. Comment down below if I helped you. But yeah, gummy bears, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite part of the video, and I'll see you gummy bears next time. Goodbye!